In this TikTok account, I have creator rewards feature which is only available in USA TikTok accounts and few other international TikTok accounts, which means you can make money from the TikTok videos that you post. And in this video, I will take you through step by step how to create a USA TikTok account from any country without using VPN or a USA phone number. Many people lose their international TikTok accounts due to these simple rules that they don't know about. But I will show you the rules so that you won't lose your international TikTok account. I'm Emmanuel, and on this channel, I share with you how to make money online and the online side hustles that I try so that you can try them for yourself. And if you are into this topic, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. The first step is simple. Go into your browser, and here we have to create a new email address that we are going to use to create our TikTok account, because you don't want this to be associated with any account. So you have to create a new email address. I'll simply type in gmail.com right here. It will bring you to a page like this. What you want to do is to simply click on create account down here. Now when you click on it, click on for my personal use. Now after you have clicked on this, it will bring you here. Enter your first name and last name. So enter them. Enter your birthday, so month, day and year, and also select your gender. So based on your first and last name that you entered, you'll be given an option to select any of the emails, or you can create your own email, and if it's available, you'll be asked to choose it successfully. Now click on next, and the next page, just follow the instructions to create your email account successfully. So after your email account has been successfully created, this is the next step. That is step 2. Step 2 is actually creating our TikTok account to the email address that we just created. So what you want to do is to simply open into the TikTok app, go into the profile section, click on add account, and here click on the location down here. So you can see the location, click on it, and right now mine is the United States. So simply choose the location, click on continue with email. So click on continue again, and it will bring you to a page like this. Click on use another email account right here, or click on use email account, and you can see I've already logged in into this email on my phone. So what you want to do is to actually log in this email on your phone to make everything simple. Here I've already chosen my email. Click on continue. Now you'll be asked to select your birthday right here. Make sure you choose a birthday which is above 18 years right here. So you can choose any, but make sure you choose a birthday which is above 18 years, and also write this down because you have to remember your birthday to your account. Now click on next, and you'll be asked to create your nickname. You will sit down and make preparations or do whatever you want to do in order to get the name that you want to give to your account, or you can simply set a name right here. Later you can change it when you want to use this for your page monetization or want to make money from your page and start posting content. Click on next, and you can see my TikTok has been successfully created for me. Now, as I told you, this is not all you need to know, because your account can be banned, especially when getting into the monetization phase. So I'm going to give you the rules which will prevent that. Now that my account is created, let's check if I will get to be monetized with a TikTok reward program, which is available to only USA accounts and some few international accounts. So I'll click on the 3 dash, click on TikTok Studio, and you can see this right here. I have the creativity program. When I go to monetization, you can see the TikTok creator marketplace, creator rewards program, which is here, and some other bunch of tools which I can use. This can help me also earn, like the TikTok shop right here. So we have successfully created our international TikTok account or USA TikTok account, which can use to also start earning money. If you want to check whether your content or your account is even based in the USA, simply go to the home page, just like mine right here, and you can see all the content that I'm seeing right here is from the USA. So this means my account is based in USA without using any VPN or US number. I've successfully created this account. After creating our international or USA TikTok account, there are a number of ways that we can make money from this, apart from even the creator reward program and other TikTok monetization features, and I'll bring you a full video on that later on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like this video, share it to a friend who will also need this. Now let's move on to the rules which will prevent your account from being banned on TikTok. The number one rule is don't add a phone number. Whether being a local phone number or an international phone number, don't add a phone number to this account. That is the number one rule. Now this will prevent your account from being banned, and if you are using only the USA account with the email, nothing will happen to your account. But if you don't listen to the next one, maybe your account can get banned. The next rule is not to add local bank account. So if it's reach time to collect your TikTok creator rewards program earnings or any other commission or money that you make on this TikTok account, you don't have to use your local account or your local bank account to withdraw that money. The next rule is not to impersonate anyone. Now if you talk about impersonating someone, it means you are using this account to post videos about people, pictures and all that. Meanwhile, you are not that person. Don't impersonate with your account, because if you impersonate someone, your account can easily be taken down. So when it's time to get into the TikTok Creator Rewards program, you'll be asked to also verify your identity. So during this time, never change the location of your international TikTok account or US TikTok account that you just created. For me, I would suggest you don't even change it anytime, any day at all. You just have to leave it like that on the US or in the US. Don't change the location to any location after creating your account. So if you want to create this account, make sure you also sit down and think about it well before you create this account, whether in the UK, USA or any other international country, which can allow you to earn from the Creator Rewards program and the other monetization tools on TikTok. Now when it comes to applying for monetization, what you want to do is to check your account standard before you apply. Now if you want to check that, it's very simple. Simply open into your TikTok account, click on the three dash. You can see this right here, click on it, and it will take you to also check your account for any videos on your account which goes against community guidelines. So when you check your account standard, you'll be able to find videos which goes against the community guidelines. That is where you can remove them from your account, so that when you are applying for the monetization, you won't be declined. And as I said, I'll be bringing a video on how to make money with your TikTok account that you just created. And in the meantime, if you are in Ghana or anywhere in the world watching this video, there are ways that you can make money from your TikTok account. I mean the local one that you also create. And to watch it, click on the video on the screen right now. I also made a video where I teach you how you can start making reaction content which you can post on your account and also earn. That video was for Facebook, but this works for TikTok as well. So if you don't know or if you don't have any content to post, make sure you go and watch that video. The link to this will be down in the description of this video. If you don't see it there, check the comment section. When you are in the comment section, don't forget to comment any question that you have, like this video, and also subscribe to the channel for more updates such as this one. I'll see you in the next video.